Giving birth. Gave birth.
Oh, it's twins.
Your luck.
Okay, so this groove.
That groove matches right up with that guy on the side, whatever that is.
Well, this hole. Oops. Yeah, look at the camera. The hole right there is where this thread, or not thread, but these like gears on the end. That's where it actually runs into it. As long as you put that in the backside, you should be fine. It should line up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that still looks good.
That's pretty cool.
That is horrible for the camera.
Yeah. Just needs a. So there's a locking collar keeping this bearing assembly in. Trailer would do the same thing. If you get a look down in there,
Trailer
there's just
axles?
there's a collar that's just gonna lock the big guy in.
Probably didn't make sense, but whatever. So what? It's like some. Because I didn't look in there before we started recording. Is it like a metal pin?
No, that's a
Ring?
yeah.
Oh. And it just rolls off or something?
You'll see it.
Oh, so on threads?
Yeah.
Oh,
The first
I
part.
see. Okay.
The first part was locking it.
Gotcha.
Just hold that there, and I'm gonna walk it around
Try.
because we technically don't have the right tool.
I never have the right tool in my garage.
I don't
Do you
like
think
it.
we could put this in the vise with something soft on it to not damage it? Now that we got it in the vise. And the other side.
See if we can persuade
Oops.
anything to move. I had smacked it a couple times, and now we have that roast. Wait, is that not allowed? Can you not smoke while driving?
I don't know if you can or can't.
Wouldn't that be the
But
same
you-
as
but you can-
cigarettes?
But you can be high.
I don't really
and
know.
then go
I guess
drive.
because that's a.
So they're saying don't get high, then go drive. They're saying to stay home and get high, I guess.
Well,
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not a person.
the
that
casual
doesn't
drug
do
user life.
this. Pretty much. Oh, it's moving. I told you we said to pray about it.
Yep.
We said to talk about smoking weed.
Thank you, baby Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
We got pretty baby Jesus, Ricky Bobby
Baby
style.
Jesus?
Yep. Sweet innocent baby Jesus.
I
9 pounds,
finally
6
watched-
ounce baby Jesus.
Finally watched that one show that had the baby Yoda in it.
Yeah, I watched it, and that stupid Yoda got punched in the face. I'm like, I would have watched the whole series of just that baby Yoda getting punched. Actually, I did watch the whole series, hoping
That was
to
a
see
good
it.
series, man.
I was, you know. My intent was just to have the satisfaction of seeing Yoda get pushed in the face, regardless of whether it was. But I watched it, and I was like, wow, that was really good.
Yeah.
The last Neanderthal, or whatever it's called.
I don't think that's close to what it's called.
It did like show his face like in one of the things.
I didn't like it. I didn't
I was like,
like
well,
his
that's
face.
disappointing.
It is.
You know?
It was a disappointing face. I wish they never showed it like
He was-
Halo, how they never show the face.
Yeah, like
I didn't like his face at all. It looked derpy.
yeah, the last Neanderthal. Isn't that what it's called? I don't know.
It's not Neanderthal.
I'll think of it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Neanderthal. That's how I took it.
I'll
See how
have to
hot
Google
that
it,
is.
but it's not what that is.
It's
Alright, so we
medium
got that,
warm.
you
Too. I don't see anything else. The last Neanderthal.
It's not Neanderthal.
Is Neanderthal like a caveman?
Yes, it is.
Gotcha.
It's a caveman.
I went to motherfucking school.
Yeah, you went to some kind of school.
I schooled good.
I know good, boss.
I was working on cars in high school. That was the last thing I was concerned about was school. Like I already know what I'm doing. I don't need to do book reports and write papers. And
I don't need to do book report.
I don't need to book report much, no. Hey, is this the guys you've been taking apart with? You put
Yes,
them.
it
You put them
is.
all back. Though.
Sure
Was it
did.
standard or metric?
Standard mostly. So awkward being a cameraman because I want to do the work.
Well, you can do the work. I can
Well, no,
film you.
no, it's fine. I just feel like I have to keep on helping you. Not sitting here staring at you. Get those shots.
Get those shots, Joe.
Shots. Oh, look at that screw popping out.
Yep.
That thing's hot. My hand touched it.
It's definitely warm. I gotta clean this out a little bit because I don't think it was unscrewing. I think I was just moving dirt around.
You know, it has a nozzle on it.
It does?
Yeah, it's on the back of it. Look at that technology.
Whoa, it's my first time, Joe.
How does it feel like your first time?
I don't know. I feel like we should have filmed other Ben Joe stupid things before. Like, this is how you don't build a treehouse. Let's do it. This is how you build a shed. Oh, broke my leg.
Yeah.
All right.
That wasn't fun.
All I see is more debris.
Oh, there's no screw.
There's threads, yes,
Oh, there's threads. Well, maybe they took it out already.
but there's just debris. I don't know.
Do you need a pick? I got a pick.
Yeah, I thought hosing it out would be good enough. This stupid angly one, that'll be super
Well,
helpful.
the other one fell on the ground, so you're gonna deal with the stupid angly one.
Oh, Jesus.
I'll go with the other one.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Brought me Captain.
Oh my God. There's more debris coming out of that hole. Like, just can't tell whether it's a size, whether there's something in it.
That makes my teeth hurt.
Go to the dentist recently?
Nope.
I haven't either. I got an electric
got a
toothbrush,
tooth
and
that's hurting, and I'm like, nope.
Oh, Erica got his electric toothbrushes a while ago, and man,
Can't
it's like
stand 'em. They hurt my teeth.
it's like better than. I
They
think
hurt
it's.
my teeth.
You probably got to get used to it too, because you've got to train your gums.
Well, my front teeth, they knocked out, so they hurt whenever they touch them.
You got
They
fake
hurt.
teeth, or
No, they're both my real tooth. One is a cap, and then the other one, it got pushed back, and so I grabbed the tooth and just
Oop.
pulled it back and pushed it up in there, and then it stayed in there.
I did that, but mine died, and I had to get a root canal on it.
I don't know. Nope.
It's a blind hole from what I see. I don't even know what that does, or if it's missing something.
Well, okay.
I think I had
What size is it?
I had the 8th out. I was pretty sure it was the 8th. Yeah, it's the 8th.
It's an 8-inch. And then the spring shoots out his camera.
It's not going to happen. I think it's just a set screw for this whole piece right here. Would be my guess. Of course, it's all old. Been assembled for God knows how long.
Yeah, I don't know how long it's been assembled. I don't know if this has ever received new bearings.
Well, I took out said set screw.
You just blinded yourself again.
I wish its first setting was not bright, and it's
Just blinding.
yeah, all settings from then on were not.
Well, I'm gonna have to do some research.
You're right. It's like there's a I don't know, a spring, something else in there.
Freaking rainy.
Right now.
You really need a light on that thing?
Yes,
2 inches from your face.
I need it.
Well, you're ruining the camera shot.
Oh my God. YouTube is not gonna pay either one of us.
Well, I don't care about getting paid. I'm helping
Enough
the
to make it.
community. Well, I don't think that went all the way down, but
That's interesting.
what the hell does that do?
That's why I wondered if it was supposed to engage.
hold a race or like hold something in
Well,
there
there's
that's
that
not in
shim.
there.
There was that shim. I was wondering if it was supposed to stop on there. Oh, it's a different screw. It's a different screw.
That's not good. Someone's been boogering with the thing.
I don't think that portion matters so much. That screw looks like it's been beat on. Joe,
Don't look at me.
what
I
did you
didn't
do
beat
before
it.
I got here?
I didn't beat that poor thing. No.
I believe it was supposed to
That
match.
flathead I might have beaten on it a couple times.
Oh no, it came out. It's a brand press screw, so
Yeah.
it's not gonna take much abuse.
Well, I seen it turn. I thought it was gonna turn on itself, or by itself. So someone's had this apart in the last 50 years or 40 years. I don't know how long it's been.
You don't happen to know a build date, do you?
I think an 82 from the numbers on the side. So what,
That's way older than me.
so like 38 years old.
My buddy turned 40 the other day.
I'm thinking it must disconnect here, and then this whole thing slides up over it.
That's what I was leaning
Like
for.
something's got to be giving us something here.
Alright, here we are, taking apart the lower portion of the head. Joe has uncovered the secrets to...
Well, we put this back on here so we can actually have a handle. And there's actually 2 holes right here. So we're thinking that these were threaded together. And we see these holes there and there. I'm sure there's a tool that you put in there. And then you can actually do it properly, but we did it off camera a certain way. I'm not going to say it.
It was so simple.
So it just unthreads like that.
Sweet.
And there's the bearings and stuff. And then do you think this will pull out this way?
Now that I'm not certain
way.
yet.
So we got the bottom off now.
Well,
One step closer.
we'll come back when we know what the heck we're doing.
Oh, here we go. We got it. We got it. Here, undo this.
Joe has unlocked the secrets. I'm doing important cameraman things. And things that'll literally just fall apart. Wow, look at this. That is cool.
There you go. Boom.
Look at that.
There's all the bearings we need to replace.
Gotta get the raw footage.
Yeah, get which one, where they are, what's top, bottom.
See?
Okay.
Definitely not sealed bearings.
Yeah. What about that one though? Well, that was goofy. Oh, it's just a
That must be
cap
another
or something.
fine adjustment maybe. It's got double bearings on the one end and single bearings on the part where it doesn't matter. That's pretty cool. It's like a small engine. Look how big that bearing is.
Oh yeah, it is like a small engine. And so this is the bottom. This is the top.
Alright.
What are you gonna say?
I don't say things on camera.
All right, so we're on to subject number 2.
Yep.
This is, what's the part name of this, Ben?
This is a pulley unit for the, gear reduction for the, main head drive mechanism.
For the flame turret,
Yeah, basically,
jet engine puller.
I'm not totally certain why it's on its own bearings.
Threads.
It looks like this inner collar rotates because somebody's been in here before. You guys see all this damage marks from other Joe Benny's.
gonna say other me's.
See, here is a very small, this is like a set screw for the set screw. You see that? That's cool too. There's a set screw going into the set screw hole.
That's weird.
I mean, that's like too many as far as I'm concerned. I don't know if this guy moves or that guy moves.
Or if it's even a guy, it could be a girl.
Yeah, I think I'll just do the Benny Jinx normal and put some heat to it. And
Whatever happens after you put heat to it.
yeah, it's automotive stuff, it's Rust Belt states. If you're
You're cleaning my cleaner container.
bothered me. It's all set up. I want it to be clean like a medical facility.
This ain't no medical facility.
It's gonna be hard to keep that still. I can give it a few good old college smacks. See if it does anything.
Yeah. I think
We can go heat it from there or whatnot.
You mean
I mean,
some?
I don't know. Maybe.
You mean hit it with a hammer?
Yeah, give her a few
While I'm
smacks.
recording and everything?
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be classy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
God, you're too far. You're getting a weird angle on my wrist.
Well, if you hit an air hammer, this will just be a quick situation.
Sorry. I might have an air hammer.
Go ahead. I think it moved.
Oh.
Please don't hit me.
Please don't hit.
Okay, so those aren't keeping that from coming out. It moved, but it loosened up. So this is,
Oh, there we go.
up here too, so be prepared.
Okay. Yeah, we could put this in the slice.
We could, but
It'd make it
we
a lot
won't.
easier for. Oh, look like
Did that move?
Yeah. Ooh, never mind. You just broke the punch.
And I was gonna go buy these from Harbor Freight.
Well, they're not made for that. Jesus.
They're a punch. What do you mean?
You have it on an angle.
Oh,
It's
my
made
goodness.
for flat surfaces. I've never had one break, just to say. That's
I
the
mean, it
first one
sounded
to break.
like it loosened up.
There it goes.
I mean, that's wild. That's why I was taken off guard. I couldn't believe what what just flew away.
My dignity.
Okay, there's still good tools at Harbor Freight.
Oh, yeah.
I still like this punch set.
Yeah. I've had this set for 2-3 years now.
In one day,
Ben messed it
Benedict
up.
Destructor.
Destroyed it. You would. There we go. Oh, there's the unit.
Right on.
Sweet. Why don't you grab that?
That's
Grab
not
the
that
big
hot.
boy.
That's worth putting on camera. That is quite the.
Jesus.
I don't know what that's doing.
I don't know.
That must be setting the preload on the inner race on the bearing, and this is the outer race is how it sets the preload. I mean, the outer race doesn't need to be preloaded. You don't have to film me. I want to film my hands like I'm just hands.
See? Look at that. See? Sometimes I'm right.
What do you mean? I was right. You had to put heat on it.
I said you had to get the inner one out first.
Let's agree
Is that all grease?
yes.
Or is that something gas?
Well, there's grease, but
Okay. I just want to make sure how everything goes back together.
well, now that we've made it this far, I can tell you. I'm not really sure what the next step is here. First thing says to knock the center portion out of it, but how would that be possible?
That should be depressed.
See, that's one whole unit.
Depress. Press.
Depress. El Harbor Freight Presso. My already damaged Harbor Freight press. It's not the first I would choose for precision work.
Press is a
I don't know. Let me smack this thing around for a while before we.
Okay. What'd you do to take that off?
I just smacked it the center portion of it with this dead blow like 2-3 times, and it just
yanked off.
it came out in my hand.
Oh, there we go. That one came out.
That's gonna be a joy to rebuild.
Yeah, it's gonna be something. I don't know about a joy.
It looks like we just press the whole thing out.
Straight
It's
up.
got an inner. You just gotta keep that lined up when you put it back together. But this is more or less built like a really big mower deck spindle. I mean, this is I can only compare it to terms that are familiar to me.
So
But we put a die right here and just press the whole thing out straight down, and the whole thing will come out.
okay.
That's easy. All right, what's the next thing?
easy peasy.
Needs to be rebuilt.
Well, don't put it on there. Don't put it on there.
Well, I can put it all the way back on. We take another shot. Hey, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna smack the middle while lifting up on it. Oh yeah! First time.
Television never lies.
I got my training at Auto Lab.
Yeah.
USA. Copyright.
Copyright. Oh, there is a spacer in there too.
Yeah, just that's
Okay.
why I said a mower deck spindle's built the same exact way, and it you know, your inner bearing preload is kind of set. That's why it must have that outer ring for the outer race. Well, now we know.
Now we know. Alright, so now we're on to this piece. What would you call this piece, Ben?
This is the power transfer unit for the stop machine before engaging worm feed in and out piece. It's employees must wash hands. Your name is employees must wash hands? Yes. I don't know.
So from the videos I watched, you gotta take this handle out before everything else starts falling out. We're having an issue to see how it actually comes apart. There's no Allen wrench or anything simple looking. Do you think maybe you can try punching through there? Maybe that's all it's holding the handle on?
It's a. You know how I said I was surprised there's no roll pins?
Yeah.
I am 90% sure that's a roll pin.
Okay.
Let's spray it.
Spray it?
Spray it again.
You got it?
Oh yes, it's a roll pin, Joe. I should have gone with my first instinct. We should be in fucking Hollywood, dude. I love it.
It's not like you said the same thing off. Oh, is it gonna get ready to pull out? Because I want to put it down.
I think it needs to be
okay. I'm
punched from this up. That roll pin, I would probably go from bottom up.
Okay.
I gotta get the right size roll pin punch. It's probably gonna be your smallest roll pin punch. Ooh, that might be too small. Where's an in-between size?
You're so goddamn picky.
Is that the one? You can't cuss on YouTube. Wait, or can you?
I said goddamn picky. And I'm editing it. I can just bleep it.
Oh, I don't know that. I'm not
Yeah.
savvy.
You're not what?
Me no technology.
I know you're not.
I'm like leg arms. You don't know leg arms.
Lego? What is leg arms?
Leg arms. The Welkers. It's like the best channel that there is on YouTube.
Oh, well.
Welker Farms. I gotta touch that up.
Jesus.
I'm engaging my safety squints.
You have them on top of your head. Just put them down.
What's my look like?
You know, I got a light there, too.
Don't need it. Experienced machinist.
There.
Power equipment technology. CATC. I'm CATC's finest.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
The viewers will.
I probably won't have any viewers.
Oh.
It'll probably just be you and me.
That's sad.
watching back on it.
I feel like you. I don't want to watch it. So, wow, that's gonna come right out.
Oh, it is?
I just jammed it through the other side, so we need to.
Bring it down, though.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to punch it all the way through. I can get it most of the way there, and we're gonna have to put it.
Here she comes. We lost it.
It's a roll pin.
Oh, there it is. No, man, this is OEM. This is original, bro.
Yep.
Original. You gotta keep it original.
The best. Better than all the rest.
All right, hang on before you pull it off, because I don't want all this stuff to come out. So let's set it down.
I don't think it's just gonna come off there.
I don't.
The handle has to come off.
Yeah.
And it's not ready for the handle to come off.
It's not.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to massage it a little bit.
You need
That's gonna be a bugger to get
massagey.
lined back up.
Massagey. It says put it in the off position whenever you take it out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
So it's in the off position right now, or out, off, whatever.
When you take the handle off?
When you take the whole thing off, but I think mine's different than the video I watched.
It's gonna come off of there for sure. My bigger issue is I need a little, I need a little tension on it. Just a hair amount of attention, or
Attention.
I need some attention, Joe.
I know you do.
What do they call it? A bromance?
Bro, this is called a helping hand, is what this is called, not a bromance.
That's not false pretenses about this situation.
Yeah, you were. Yeah,
Well,
so
that's how you get the handle, I
It
guess.
just comes off like that. Is there a
Interesting.
snap ring or something in there? Oh, Jesus, look at the camera, you idiot. I was way off.
bearing
green
right
ooze.
there. Well, yeah, that's the weird stuff that I was trying to take off there, but it's like the Bridgeport. It's like it was the dark green 80s color.
I think it was, and they painted it gray. Which I like the gray better.
I mean, it could have been like that from the factory, you know. Automotive makers are terrible for that.
It might just pull out. You never know.
Yeah, I will be the first to tell you, I don't know how this...
I just want to set it down now. I don't want the way it's up.
Catch my mistakes on camera.
Alright, so we're just going to punch this pin all the way through. Oh, yeah,
I think I need just a little bit more.
That's a lot. That's quite a lot.
I can't imagine it needs more than that.
It looks like it's going to need a little bit, like an eighth more. Because I think it's going to have to go all the way out. Oh, you got it? Nope, never mind. You got it.
Yeah, I didn't want to take it all the way out.
Alright, so how did that went like that?
If you can't
So
get it,
something like
I can
this?
put this back together easily.
Oh, and
It
then
does need to
just
go
that
all the way
little-
out in order to take this all the way out if you wanted it.
No, I don't want that all the way out. So
There's
when
a-
you move that little nipple pushes up on this. That's what
Yeah.
makes it go up and down.
Is that little bearing you're talking about that goes on the very tip of that?
That bearing is actually quiet. I don't think I'll need to replace. I think it just needs to be cleaned.
Oh, let's put it back together.
Well, I had to take that out to take this out.
10-4.